G'day legends. Will you listen to that rain? It was 40 degrees here today. It was, well, I mean, to say it was hot is probably an understatement. It's the warmest I've been since we've had the summer. We're in the third month of summer here in Australia, down in the bottom of Down Under. And we're getting an afternoon storm now. It's been hailing, it's been raining, there's lightning and thunder. You'll probably hear a bit of thunder maybe in the video. But anyway, so that's a bit exciting because we haven't had any rain here for, I don't know, a couple of weeks, I think. Anyway, the markets are down. I don't know if you've noticed, but they are down. This is to do with the tariff stuff that I was telling you about. I'll show you the markets first. This is the day. This is what it looks like if you click into the top 100 by the size movement. So there is, I don't think, anything red at all in the top 100. Go back here. So as you can see, we have dipped twice under 100,000 now. We bottomed out there and we're out now currently at 99,750 roughly. As you can see, it's pretty much all down. There is a couple of green ones there, but they are very, very small percentages, under 1% for everything by the looks of it. So you're probably saying, yep, you said yesterday there was going to be tariffs, you were hoping it would bounce back. Yes, that is what I told you yesterday. I was hoping that it was down yesterday and would go up today because, you know, people had sold into the tariffs. But unfortunately, we've had some retaliation from the countries that Trump has put tariffs on. The US has put tariffs on. They put on the 25% on Mexico and China, and 10% on no, not China, on Mexico and Canada, and they put 10% on China. Now they have gone and put, Canada has put 25% back on America, and they're putting tariffs on up to $155 billion worth of stuff. Sorry if I'm looking up on, that's my thinking face. They have put, China has put tariffs on up to $110 billion worth of stuff for the US, and I did hear, and I haven't been able to confirm this one, so feel free to fact check all of this. I mean, you should fact check everything. I'm just like some guy on the internet. You should really fact check everything that I say or anyone says. That China was imposing up to 75% tariffs. So I haven't been able to find that, but I did hear that on a different video that I was watching on the tariffs and stuff. So yeah, retaliation, trade wars, a lot of fun. It's sorry, I'm smiling about it. I'm just like, yeah, it's one of those things you sort of look and go, these things are just, when you're a kid you never see it coming. Not that I'm close to being a kid anymore, but until I was in crypto, I was the type of person that had my head in the sand. I would listen to the radio, and if I didn't like it, I'd turn it off. Oh, I've lost my camera. These days, because of crypto, I'm constantly researching everything. You know, Bitcoin goes down, the crypto market go down. Why did it go down? What's happened? Is it something to do with crypto, or is it something to do on the worldly economic type of thing? Is it, you know, so for this one, trade. So we've got a bit of trade war going on, and why does it affect us? I said yesterday it doesn't affect it, like tariffs aren't on crypto. That's true. People think they're going to have to pay more money for things, which, you know, they probably are. I'm not making light of that. So if you have less money, you're less likely to spend stuff on risk assets. Sorry. Crypto is a risk asset. You're not going to spend money on risk assets if you're short on money. The time we're going to see spending on risk assets, such as crypto, is after people get their tax returns all around the world. You'll notice that there'll be an influx from a country into things that people don't need a lot of the time. A new TV, investing in crypto, new PlayStation, all those things happen after tax return season, that type of thing. Times where you think you've got to tighten up is the times where people might be pulling money out. People are pulling crypto, money out of their crypto in worry, but they could also it could just be big whales pulling it out, thinking that that'll scare everyone else. So, what do? Don't sell your crypto. Now, this is not financial advice. It's just probably good advice, but it's not financial advice. Don't buy or do or hold or say or do anything to do with what I've said. Go and think about it and work it out for yourself. I'm not selling things. The only reason I would sell something is if I don't want to be in a certain coin anymore and it has gone down less than a coin that I want, I would sell that coin and then move into the coin I want because it's gone down more. That's about the only time I'd look at selling. I'm also looking at buying. I'm looking at getting a little bit more cash off the side after the bills are paid, disposable income, be responsible, and putting it into crypto. We've had a lot of the move already. We've had a lot of the upward moved in Bitcoin, essentially. What was it, probably September, maybe a bit before September, August. We're in the 50,000s. We're now we're just stepped under 100,000. So we've had a lot of the first move. And yet everyone's still so bearish. So I'm looking at slightly more riskier assets now. I'm going a bit further down the risk curve, hoping for higher rewards. But I'm only doing it with disposable income that if something goes wrong, that's okay. Alright, I hope this helps. I hope this video explains why your crypto's down, but it also, I'm just hoping it helps you keep calm. That's all this video is about. It's to help you. Hopefully, if it doesn't, feel free to say why. If there was something else I could have said or done, feel free to write that in a comment. If you've loved it, write that too. That'd be great. And if you could like it and help it get sent around a bit by the algorithm stuff on YouTube, and subscribe if you're not subscribed and you made it to this far in the video. Hopefully, this type of thing will be helpful for you. Do something nice for someone else. Have a great afternoon. Crypto Bogan out.